when we get together, mga Hinebra, iba yung what Jaworski did. It was a family. He didn't want you to be angat or anything. When my other teammates from Hinebra went to other teams, that's the same thing they say. Iba yung tayo eh. I mean, they experience other people, but the family, the brotherhood, the kantsawan, the get-togethers,
The loyalty. That was number one kay Coach Jaworski.
Yeah. And you can sense coach will remove if he sees something sticking out, he will remove that player. Pag hindi nagka-ano-ano. And you have to be tough eh. So, bantay kita. So, minsan sinasabi ko, sige, lusutan mo ako, may hahampas sa'yo. Eh, nandun si Wilmer Ong, nandun si Maki De Hoy, si Benny Cheng. Don't get me wrong, ha? Marlo and Noli, manghahampas din yan. So, pag lumampas sa akin, may hahampas. Kung hinampas ko na at natinawagan ng foul, may sunod na hampas pa yun. So you have to do that. Why?
You will pay the price.
That's one. And second, you won't go in again.